Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, the lone fire is gone. Lone fire is gone. Lone fire doesn't exist anymore in the universe. And now a new name is there in my mind. And I found out that this new name is better than lone fire. Now I'm going to tell you the meaning of lone fire as it is gone. Lone fire means the fire would stand unique, would stand lonely. Means we usually take fire as something which is strong. We compare fire to something that is greater. So I think that fire that stands lonely means which is unique from others. So lone fire means dead. This new name, the silent guy, is better than lone fire. Silent guy is a guy who stays silent. Silent doesn't mean that he will not speak all the time and just keep mum. That doesn't mean that silent doesn't mean that. According to me, silent doesn't mean that silent guy doesn't mean that someone who's cool. And I hope you guys know the meaning of cool. That's why I'm telling it. Someone who stays, who's very cool. That's why I want to be the coolest guy. That's why I labeled my channel name as the silent guy. And now let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself to you guys. In my last intro video, I didn't make the video nice. Well, that video was a mistake. I didn't make that video for uploading in YouTube. I just meant it for a practice video. It was typically, just for the namesake of making a video. I just meant it, but I found out that I didn't have any video to upload. So to start with, I just uploaded that. Now I'm going to introduce myself to you guys. I am Naresh Moirangthem, and I'm studying at Chinese school in Val at the standard of 7. And since that school is a boarding school, I'm staying in a boarding school, so I can't make videos regularly. I can't make videos, I can't release my videos once or twice a week, and that is impossible for me because I'm staying there. There's no mobile phones or computer there. There are computers in the library or computer lab, but I can't use that for this uploading videos, so I can't make videos regularly. But I will try to upload at least once or twice a month, as in the vacation or in the outpass. Outpass is holidays, we call it outpass there. So that's it. And I want to become a very famous YouTuber. Honestly, I don't want to be a YouTuber just for the namesake. I want to become a YouTuber. Well, I want to become a YouTuber because I want to become famous, and that's it. And I'm from Kangabok, that's in Thombol district, from Manipur, as you guys know, and from India. That's the country I should say, and that's it. I'm not from a very rich family. At the same time, I'm not from a very poor family. I'm from a middle status family, and my parents own a shop and they run it. They run the shop. That's why my background used to be on the shop. When you see in my Facebook post or some other Instagram like that, you can see me on the shop. That's why. And our house is big. So that's it. In my last intro video, you saw my sister jumping around in the bed. And that's it. Today I'm going to show you her real face. Her name and her everything. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to let her tell it to you. So let's go and meet my sister. And my sister is Julita Moirangthem. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Julita Moirangthem. My standard is 3. I'm studying at KM Bromere Secondary School at Kangabok.
Well, I'm making videos for tips. Tips for mobile applications. That's it. I'm making videos on the topic, but I'm also trying to make other videos like, whatever comes to my mind. That popular. That's something you guys will want. Okay, let's go. Stop the video. Hey, wait guys. If you like my video, then prove it. Just drop a like, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. And guys, if you dislike or give any bad comments, the fact is, I don't care about those guys. I care about the good ones. Those who support me. I'll try to support them, and that's it. So let's have a good relation. Thank you for watching my video. Well, I'm making videos for tips. Tips for mobile applications. That's it. I'm making videos on the topic, but I'm also trying to make other videos like, whatever comes to my mind. That popular. That's something you guys will want. Okay, let's go. Stop the video. Hey, wait guys. If you like my video, then prove it. Just drop a like, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. And guys, if you dislike or give any bad comments, the fact is, I don't care about those guys. I mean, I care about the good ones. Those who support me. I'll try to support them, and that's it. So let's have a good relation. Thank you for watching my video.